Today we'll be making Bengali-style mango chutney. Ingredients used: dried red chilies, methi or fenugreek seeds, raw mango, panchparan or 5-spice blend, sugar. Take a raw mango and cut it into the size shown here. Take a heated pan and add 1/2 cup of water. Add your mango pieces and let them boil in medium-high flame. After 5 minutes, decrease the flame to low and boil for 5 more minutes. When the mangoes are fully boiled, remove them from the pan and add them to a separate cooking utensil. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a turka kadai and heat it. Add 1/2 teaspoon of panchparan, 2 dried red chilies, and 1/4 teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seeds. After 2 minutes, add this mixture to your mangoes. To this, add 1/2 cup of water and heat it. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and let it boil for 2 minutes on high flame. You should start to see the pulp of the mango dissolve into the water. Slowly, the consistency of the water will become thicker. After 2 minutes, switch the flame to medium heat and let it boil for a few more minutes. Afterwards, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. You can add more or less sugar depending on your preferred level of sweetness. Stir this well to help thicken the liquid. Remove from the heat once you reach your desired consistency. Delicious mango chutney is ready to be served. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Tell us down below what dishes you'd like to see us make in the future. See you next time!